eBay, presented by our website, jaspyscasebreaks.com. We are down to the last case. Thank you guys for sticking around. I know most of you guys have been watching since our first break about 5 hours ago. We've been taking little breaks here and there just to kind of let you guys take a break. But this is the last case, 5 of 5 of 2019 Bowman Chrome Hobby 5 case break, 60 box break. Player break on eBay. Here you go, last case. We've been doing a hit recap video after every break, and we'll be doing the same thing after this, number 5. And then once I get done with this one, I'll create a separate video giving you a full recap video of the 5 cases as well. So you can watch that one. Yes, all cards ship, Joshua. On eBay especially, we ship everything. So yeah, the good thing is that like if you didn't hit any autographs or numbered cards, then you will be still getting all the base. So all cards ship. Alright. 24 autographs still hiding in here though, guys, so we can do it. Alrighty, guys. Yeah, let's get some last case fire mojo for sure. And yes, I think it's time for a super. So hopefully, you know, super fractors are pretty tough to hit, but I'm feeling like we can get one of these. So Big Red says, if I ever go to Cali, 2 things he'll do is first go to a taping of Conan O'Brien and then come to Jaspy's. Yeah. Yeah, no problem. And I appreciate you guys grabbing these spots. You know, I mean, I'm obviously just the one ripping them open for you guys, but again, this is all possible because of you guys. So thank yourself. And hopefully along this 5-caser, I've been able to get you at least some numbered cards or something, you know. When it's a player break, it's much more difficult than a team break. But I know some of you guys may have gotten multiple players, multiple teams, so good luck, though. We've done that in the past, John. And I'm sure we can as well in the future. I just feel like people love the player breaks a lot more. You know, so they can kind of mix and match different teams or different players from different teams and still have the same budget. You know what I mean? Because think about what the Blue Jays or the Padres would have cost in a 5-caser, you know what I mean? But obviously, I'm not saying people wouldn't do it, but I know player breaks are always much fun and get more publicity because it's kind of difficult having to list 300-400 listings, right? Instead of just doing like 30 for teams. But yeah, I mean, I'm sure there's a lot of us that'll do the 5-caser. And Jose Devers, there you go. There's 3 at least out of a 5-caser, not too shabby. You also got to add a 25 as well, orange. Casas. Yeah. That was the one I sold right before the break. Gallardo. Pricey at $280, don't get me wrong, but I think 3 different Dever autographs and, you know, a nice orange to 25. I don't think you're breaking too bad. And again, he's still a Bowman's first prospect, so Connor Scott to 150, so you know, you never know. He comes up and becomes a superstar. Well, there you go, you know. I'm sure those 3 autographs are going to sell for much more than what they sell for now. Zach Brown. And Warner. Brandon Belt to 250. And Chris Shaw. I think this is a variation. Yeah, they have non-auto base as well. Yeah, they should. It'd be their Bowman's first. They should though, but maybe not. I'm not too sure actually. No, maybe it's only gonna be colored. No, they do. See, there you go. Devers has a first there. Feltman. Yeah, exactly. So that's what I'm saying. Like, it ends up being a pretty good buy when you're still going to get the Bowman's first cards and all the rookie cards for each whatever player you bought. So yeah, it ends up being a nice buy no matter what. It's just, of course, some of these players sold for hundreds and hundreds of half of, you know, $500 players just because you're looking to get at least multiple autographs. You know what I mean? That's the risk you're taking. Torres Costa. Nolan Arenado to 499. And we got Victor Mesa to 150. And we got Blaine Knight to 99. Green. Alrighty, guys. Next box. Nice Grayson Rodriguez to 25, orange shimmer. And Isaiah Gillum to 150, blue. A lot of Gillums in this break. Oh, and we got out of 25, Juan Soto. Brad Keller to 499. Brandon Lowe. Joey Votto to 250. To 499, Tejada. And Pilkington, damn. This guy has like at least like 7 autos. Alrighty, guys. Next 4 boxes. At least 12 more autographs now. Or not 12, I think, what is it, 4 boxes? 8 boxes? Yeah, 16 autographs, sorry. 16 autographs left. Alrighty, guys. Next 4 boxes. Come on, Mariota, just pass it to at least your tight end. Give me some fantasy points. I think it's on Fox. Well, it's already gonna end though. They're gonna lose. Oh, I'm a big Ducks fan too, Dabby Duck. I didn't realize maybe that's why your name was that. I'm gonna go to the Oregon Ducks USC game this year. Herbert's my new man. B. Nelson, you drinking Jesus juice while you watch? No, I mean, I haven't really been watching the game. I'm a big Eagles fan, but I just like Mariota because he went to Oregon. But I also have, forget his name, the tight end for the Titans. I mean, I already got 10 points, which is not bad, but I figure since you're just like in 2-minute ball, might as well like throw it to the tight end. I'm actually going to my first Eagles game in Philly in 2 weeks. I've been to the Eagles game in Oakland when Nick Foles threw 7 touchdown passes against the Raiders. I went to that game. I went to a game in 2009 with McNabb against the Chargers when they lost. I've been to Dallas, played against the Cowboys and they won, which was great. Went against the Rams. When they beat them, but Carson Wentz tore his ACL. Sad times. Went to the Chargers game in LA here. But never been to Philly, so... Well, I've been to Philly, but not to an Eagles game. But yeah. Should be fun. Alright, there you go. Next 4 boxes. Good luck. Oh yeah, Delaney Walker. There it is, yeah. $4.99, Kraus. And Eli White to 250. $250 Miklas. And Augustine. Telmito. Kidding me? Alrighty. Next one. Stevan Florial. And Angler. All right, we got a Vladimir Guerrero Jr., a little atomic to 150. Arizona Fall League edition. Astros right there. And we got Moises Gomez. First time I've seen his autograph, I think. And this 5-caser. $4.99 Mookie Betts. Next box. We got Jesus Sanchez to 250. Or sorry, to 50. Gold shimmer. And Pineda, Israel. I've seen Terang, I think, as a base, but nothing numbered, I don't think so. Heber Reese to 250. Stroman to $4.99. I'm sure everybody's going to get at least base. No matter what. Levine. And Martinez to $4.99. Bowman's first for the Blue Jays. All right, guys, last box and then 4 more. Amenteros. And Perdomo, nice 5-caser for him. Got an orange to 25, I remember, and out of 150. We got Brandon Lowe to 99. Yeah, vet autographs, John. Honestly, I rarely see them, John. It's a big risk. But, again, for the price that you probably paid for Jeter, I don't think it was too pricey for a 5-caser. But, yeah, vets are definitely tough in this. More rookies and prospects. And Soto for the A's. But they're out there, though. Obviously, you can see, like you said, the superfractors were pulled. But I'm sure they're very short printed. If not numbered super low. All right, guys. Last 4 boxes. 8 autographs to go, guys. How awesome would it have been, though, to hit like a Jeter Superfractor? That'd be nuts. Oh, yeah, no, John, yeah, but I'm just letting you and everybody else know, yeah. It's harder to hit a vet. Although they are in there, it's just like, man. They're like 1 in every probably like 25 cases. But imagine the thousands of cases that are broken around the United States alone. Go party on South Street? Yeah, well, I'm going to explore Philly for a couple days. I think I'm flying out Thursday. Yeah, rookie autographs are too, John, in this one, huh? Just more prospects. I'm flying out Thursday, so I'll be there for a couple days before the Eagles game starts. And I'll fly out Monday night. But yeah, I've been to Philly once. I went to Atlantic City for the National a couple years ago. So I was there in Atlantic City for about a week. It was fun. It's kind of cool. You know, I'm really close to Vegas, only a couple hours, so I've been to Vegas a handful of times. But, hey, I mean, Atlantic City, though, it's like you make the wrong left or wrong right. You don't feel like you're in the right city anymore. But for the most part, it was cool kind of walking on the boardwalk and going to the casinos and, you know, obviously the convention. And then we flew out of Philly, so I was able to visit the Nest for the day. Went to Pat's and Gino's, tried some steaks. I've tried Jim's before. One time a customer sent us, like, Jim's Philly cheesesteaks, like frozen in dry ice and with directions on how to warm it up, and it was delicious, but you know how to just go to Pat's and Gino's. But that was pretty much it, you know, just kind of, just for a couple hours. But this time we'll definitely explore it a lot more. And my mom actually just retired. She worked 30 years at the post office, being a mail carrier, so taking her along with my wife and my sister, and she's gonna go to an Eagles game with us, and I told her I'd take her to Atlantic City to the casinos because she loves playing the slot machine, so I could take her there to kind of just gamble a little bit. But yeah, I'm pretty excited, you know. Excited a lot for the game, but it's been a while since I've had a good couple days to go out of town and fly out and go somewhere. So looking forward to that. Oh, nice. Okay. The one casino I did like over there in Atlantic City was the Borgata. That one's a very nice casino. Reminds me a lot of the nicer casinos in Vegas. Alright guys, 2 more boxes to open. Last four boxes here. Last 8 autographs. Capuciano. And we got Luis Garcia. I think someone said they were looking for Garcia, so there you go. Zach Greinke to 150. Killeroff to 250. And wow, Victor Mesa Jr. Elite Farmhands autograph. 10 out of 25. Nice. That is awesome. Metals, shimmer. There you go. That helped out the case. Shimmer, Jacques, Augustine, autograph. Yamamoto, green shimmer. Eli White.
No, not I think 4 and 5. That's our 4 and 5.
Bull rookie to $4.99.
I didn't see any more than mine. Good luck.
Last 2 boxes. 4 more autographs, guys. Good luck. Eli White, purple shimmer. And we got Feltner. Nice, to 250. I think Joshua was looking for him earlier. Rowdy Tellez to $4.99. Oh, there you go, Joshua. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, I knew you said you were looking for some color. Kyle Tucker to $250. Floria to $4.99. And Danny Diaz. Alrighty, oh, is that a number? No. Alright, everybody, down to the last box of the 5 case. I really appreciate you guys grabbing these spots. Again, everything shipped. You're going to at least get all the base cards for the players, the inserts, the rookies, whatever player you picked. Good luck. And hopefully we do some more of this very soon. It's always fun doing a 5-caser. Wander Javier. And definitely check out our website, guys, jaspyscasebreaks.com. Jameson Hannah. Juriel. And honestly, guys, our shipping team is A1, the packing, the shipping. So as we speak, actually, they're already sorting out these base cards for you. And I'm just going to go with the hit recap. And I'm not going to lie, probably by tomorrow, everything will be packed up and shipped out by Saturday morning. So I know our shipping policy is usually 3 to 5 business days. I believe we gave it a little bit more today. But, yeah. You know, so we're definitely trying to make sure that we can be the best shipping team in the business as well. Angler. $4.99. And Sandoval for the A's. Yes, I'll be doing a recap of every hit of every case break separately. But I've been doing them at the end of every break as well. So, but yeah, I'll do one big video for all the autographs hit in the 5 cases. And there you go, guys. That was the break. So here was a hit recap for number 5. So these are just the numbered cards. Engler, Juriel, Javier, Florial, Tucker, Rowdy Tellez, White, Borigi, Yamamoto, Jax, Meadows, Killaroff, Greinke, Campusano, Amonteros, Tejada, Mize, Brandon Lowe, Levine, Stroman, Ruiz, Sanchez, Betts, Bucalas, Vladimir Guerrero Jr., Florial, Rosario, Nicholas, Kraus, Votto, Keller, Soto Orange, Rodriguez, Victor Mesa, Arenado, Gore, Gillum, Shaw, Brandon Belts, Zach Brown, Star Tracker Connor Scott, Kirk. Alrighty, and then here you go. Sandoval, Hannah Auto, Diaz, Feltner to 250, White, Augustine, Victor Mesa Jr. to 25, Elite Farmhands, Luis Garcia, Soto, Perdomo, Martinez to 499, Pineda, Gomez, Angler, Augustine, Eli White to 250, Pelkington, Gillum to 150, Blake Knight, Torres Costa, Feltman, Warner, Gallardo, Casas, and Jose Devers. And there you go, guys. That was case number 5 of 5. In a separate video, I'm going to recap all the hits from all 5 cases, so that way you guys can just skip to that one. Jaspy's eBay, jaspyscasebreaks.com. Appreciate it, guys. Have a great night.